my 120, I would have got the tone alert.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bedford County and south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Cambria County and central Pennsylvania, northeastern Somerset County and south central Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Geistown, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour.
Oh no, I left my WO100 on display.
And damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Windber and Unlow, Ogletown, Osterburg, and Cessna. This will impact the following central Pennsylvania interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 136 and 147, Interstate 99 between mile markers 0 and 9. This will also impact the following major roads: Route 30, Route 219, Route 220. Severe thunderstorms create winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts and large hail. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6770